Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Bybit to your Phantom wallet. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, we're going to do, of course, you want to log into Bybit. Okay, come here, click on your user profile. Now under assets, you want to come and click on withdraw, okay? And then while this page loads up, I'm going to show you what to do right here. But until then, you want to go ahead and open up your Phantom extension, okay? And then you want to go ahead and click on receive and choose Solana right here. And this is the wallet address you want to copy right here. Okay, copy this wallet address, come back to Bybit. Now we are in the withdrawal section right here. So what you need to do is I have to set my Google authentication first. Let me do that real quickly. Okay, so I fulfilled the withdrawal condition. So coin, you want to come here and select Solana, of course. Come here and type SOL. We'll find Solana. And then if that address we had pasted, right? We had copied. We're going to paste it right here. Paste the wallet address right here. Go ahead and paste it. Let me go ahead and remove this. Let me go get the wallet address again for you. So come here, click on receive, and then click on Solana. Copy this address. Then we're going to paste this right here. This wallet address, we're going to paste it right here, guys. And then for chain type, I want you to come here and I want you to choose Sol, okay? SOL. And then whatever amount you want to withdraw, you just come here and choose that. So if you want to withdraw, for example, 100, you can type that right here. We'll show you what the transaction fee will be. Then you just go ahead and click confirm, and you'll be able to transfer Solana from your Bybit to your Phantom wallet. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.